Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to another exciting episode of Girls Aloud podcast, where we talk about trendy stuff, politics, sports, you name it. I'm your host, Sandra Pearson, and I do this with my queen,
Erica.
Olive.
AMGA.
As you know, every episode we play a very good game here and we win some good money if we are able to win the game. We don't know what our producer is bringing today, but we're just hoping we're going to win.
And
the
we
game.
are going to win.
So, guys, are you guys
We are
ready?
winning today.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go.
Let's play!
In this episode, you have the chance to win 2,000 Ghana cedis. But you must answer both questions correctly.
I'm here.
Shall we play?
Let's play.
The first question. Mention 6 countries that can be found in North Africa. You have
Morocco.
30 seconds. Your time starts now.
Egypt,
Morocco. Tunisia.
Algeria,
Libya. Wow. Morocco.
I
North
have no
Africa.
idea.
Yeah, travelers, so please
Yeah, that's travel hub. You should give us some.
Morocco, Algeria, Libya,
Tunisia.
Tunisia,
Is Tunisia in Africa? Yeah, Tunisia is in Africa.
yeah,
Oh,
North Africa.
Sudan.
Somalia.
Your time is up. Ladies, you had all correct.
2,000 Ghana cedis. Bring the money.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
And now, this is just one question. You need to get it to win 3,000 cities.
Wait.
What is the name of Ghana's Speaker of Parliament?
Hey. Alban Badbing.
Yes.
Is it Badbing?
Correct.
That's that.
Okay, so 4,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay, period. Please, run me my money.
So ladies, you just won 2,000 Ghana
And take it
cedis.
like that.
Yeah.
Monies will be transferred to your phones before the end of the show.
Ping, ping. Momo. No e-levy. Okay, so that was a win. We won.
Yes,
we
period.
won. And we're
You
going to win
can't
again.
ask us.
Anyway, we will be right back. Girls Aloud.
Welcome back. On today's episode, we have a letter from one of our viewers who needs our advice. Sisters, are you ready?
Yeah.
And I read. I have dated my girlfriend for 3 years. And for all the 3 years, her birthday has been a special day for me too. I am always the first to wish her, and I have gifted her on every one of her birthdays. I always made sure her wish list was fulfilled. This year, my finances has been slow, and due to work and family pressures, I missed her birthday. I forgot to wish her or even gift her. We spoke on the very day, but she never mentioned it was her birthday. I had also forgotten. The next day, I tried to call her, but she never answered, nor returned my calls. Later that day, she sent me a breakup text and blocked me everywhere. That was when I remembered I had missed her birthday. I love her. I don't wish to lose her. What should I do now? Should I still pursue her and buy her gifts, or should I let her go?
Pursue and buy a gift. Don't let her go. Women use emotions. Women don't use logic. He's going through whatever he's going through.
Some
Do you
women.
understand?
Some
Most
women.
women, men are known to use their logic, with a lot of things. But we are emotional beings. Do you understand? Maybe not you, but most women are emotional beings.
But that's not matured
I
enough.
mean, it's not mature.
Why do you block
In the
him?
first place, we don't know who we're even dealing with. We don't even know who she is as a person. Everybody deals with things differently.
No, but
But how do you
very
block him and you want to
inconsiderate.
deal with
It's
it?
very
Inconsiderate
inconsiderate for
as
the
well.
girl to
A lot of-
to block him.
Yes, that's too much.
Okay,
He remembers
fine.
everything.
And
When you're dealing with
I've been in
somebody,
a problem right now, and then you are telling me that you don't know. No, come on.
no, but people are different. When you're dealing with somebody, I can tell you something.
That's
right?
why people are different.
Okay,
because
so yes.
this
So,
is actually why
in the first place, he should know the kind of girl he's dating. Maybe he'll date me and I'll be like, okay, I'm sorry. Like, I know you're going through a lot. And it's
you
fine and I'll
like
forgive
3
you.
years,
But
right?
you go to the next person and then
3 years.
she's not taking things
He
like
has
that.
been consistent.
Okay, he has
for
been
3
consistent.
years.
and it's
So
just one
it does
day.
not
She's
matter.
just been
People are
inconsiderate.
different. You
One
can't
day
blame
in a
her for
year.
acting that way.
No.
You can't blame her for acting that way. I'm saying I'm not supporting what she did.
He should move
But
on.
she's a woman. She
He
acted
should-
out
for
of her
me,
emotions.
I think he should move on.
He should move on to
No,
where?
honestly, okay. Like my
People are
my
different.
genuine opinion.
You understand?
Let's
She's
move
probably
on to
hurt at the
it.
moment, and
Let's
women we
move
can
on
even
to
be
it.
hurt, and then women we can even be hurt right now, and then do something, and then the next 2 days we are like, oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that.
And then what?
No, no, no.
you-
Okay,
so
no.
then
But
that
for
means
3
you
years,
block
that
him.
relationships are never really smooth.
Period.
You can be matured, but in this case,
an immature
whoever
person,
she's
please.
dealing with, she can be mature or immature, but she went out of the relationship anyway because of how she was feeling at the moment. Do you understand? You are going through whatever you're going through, but also the emotions. I think Abba, she has brought her emotions on board, and she just
Okay,
She's
wait.
hurt.
Did
So
the
she's probably
lady
acting out of
did they
hurt.
say the lady knew like his finances had gone down?
No, he didn't mention that.
do you understand?
he
She's
was
acting
going
out of her
through it.
emotions.
But you
So-
should know your boyfriend. You should know who he is.
Exactly, for 3 years,
He should know.
you
He
should
should
know.
also
You
know
should
his
know.
girlfriend.
Always wishing
He should
you
also know his
and
girlfriend and know who
buying
she
you
is.
gifts.
Exactly.
Yeah, because me
exactly.
sometimes some things I won't take it as anything, but she will take it as something, and I don't even blame her for however she's gonna act. Do you understand where I'm coming
No.
from? So maybe
I
she's
feel like
wrong.
she's being
She acted
inconsiderate
immature
at the
or whatever.
moment.
She acted that way,
Yes.
but it was just a moment. It was just a momental thing.
So if it's a
Maybe in a
momental
few
thing,
days
then
to
wait
come-
for me to unblock.
Exactly.
Then I wait
And
for the guy
you know,
to unblock him.
Let's just
what
be
am I
honest.
saying?
Let's just be honest. Most girls cry when they go through a little. They block their boyfriends. Maybe.
Oh,
no,
no,
no.
that's like-
but
that's like-
I'm
that's
just
like
saying.
childish.
Yeah,
This is-
it is
yes,
childish.
yes, yes.
That is why I'm
Not sure
saying.
girl will do that.
That is why I'm
Trust
saying
me.
that people deal with their emotions differently.
And maybe the
People
person
deal
is
with
18
things
years old.
differently.
She will unblock
For you
them.
know, maybe in the case getting to her birthday, they were having their little problems or something, and then also babe can't hold on. But when it comes to art, you just feel okay. Let me just leave the relationship.
every day.
Not every year. I'm saying days to the birthday. You don't even know what was happening at that time.
Every day.
To
That
me,
is the story
well,
we
Say
have
anything to
here.
him.
I understand that all of you are saying that she's not mature and whatever, but it's two people in a relationship. If you know your partner, you know she's an emotional
Okay, so
person.
you-
Go inside, you do something that is gonna hurt her. You don't do it.
You know
If it-
what?
and
It's not gonna
right
go
now, you
anywhere.
just have to
The
say sorry and
relationship's
just
not
get her
gonna
back.
go anywhere.
Just say sorry and get her back.
The
It's
relationship's
her
not gonna
birthday.
go
Some people
anywhere.
take their birthdays like World Cup. Like I have friends. When is their birthday? They go do photo shoot and they'll send it to you. If you don't post them right now, well, for you. But to you, you're thinking that. But I even sent you a cupcake or something. Why is it just posting your picture and then you don't? Do you understand where I'm coming from? People are very, very different.
I
So for
understand where
me,
you're coming
yeah,
from,
yeah,
Olivia.
okay.
I understand where you're coming from. So are you trying to say with you,
Mhm.
you support the girl?
I'm not saying I support the girl, but I understand that people deal with things differently. So if something happens and somebody reacts in a certain way,
So whose side are you on right
I mean,
now?
I'm not on anybody's side. Right now, I'm trying to help
but
him
what
out,
you're
right?
saying
Are we
is-
not trying to help him
No,
out?
you are trying to be on the ladies' side
No,
right
right
now.
now.
Okay, right now he's asking if he
the
should.
guy is
Okay.
asking us.
Okay.
I mean,
Yes, for
it's
our
an
advice.
So
Okay.
what's
He
the
should
advice
be-
you have
Okay,
to
okay.
give?
So at the end of the story,
Yeah.
he's saying that should he pursue or let her go and find someone else? So what do you guys think? He should let her go and find somebody else?
Oh no,
Yeah.
I think the
No,
guy
for me-
is
for
too.
me
is to-
as the
I-
guy-
Relationships-
if the guy,
Girls,
if the guy
listen.
knows
He said,
where.
listen, girls, listen. He
Mm.
said, I love her.
Oh.
I don't wish to lose her.
Mhm,
What should I do now?
mhm.
Should I still pursue her and buy her gift, or should I let her go?
So what do you guys think?
Oh, he shouldn't let her go.
Thank you.
He shouldn't let her
Thank you.
go. At least he should make an effort.
So my problem is she blocked him.
Oh,
So
but
how she-
obviously he will know where
She even
stays.
sent him a breakup test.
It doesn't matter.
Are you guys being serious and realistic right now?
We're listening to you.
So
you should
wait,
move
hold
on.
on. No, I'm not saying you should move on. All right. For me, I feel like as a guy, I will just like be in
He
my
should be reserved
in my
Yeah.
in
and
my
see
in
how
my
things are
lane,
gonna be.
whatever, doing what I'm doing, because then again I'm low on cash. I'm low on some things. Finances
you.
most importantly,
you.
and the finances is what will make me buy the gifts for this girl.
Thank
Mhm.
you.
Yeah.
So if then again 3 years throughout I've been getting you gifts, I've been
Nice.
wishing you and stuff like that, and this particular year
Mhm.
I've not been able to do that, please.
Exactly.
You have to give me a break.
That's
You
what
can't
I was
just block
saying.
me just like that. If that's the case, I feel like then this girl actually needs this guy for something in
Yes.
particular. You don't
She
really love
doesn't
the
love
person.
him. It's because of what he does for her.
You don't really love the person because
And as soon
why?
as
It's
that
been 3 years
cuts,
consistent.
She's done with
Just
him.
one time that I miss him because I'm low on cash. You just block me out of nowhere. Please, let's be realistic.
Yeah.
If you have like we've had relationships or we are in relationships and that happens to us, come on, you know that this person, me as a friend, I'll advise you, know, this person is not in for whatever you are
For
being
who you
through.
are.
And let's just say this is a relationship matter, but let's just say this is marriage. What are you going to do?
Exactly.
Are you going to just leave the house,
That's
pack
true.
your
Because
things
your
and leave the
husband
house?
didn't buy
you a
So
gift.
what do you advise
So
that he does right now?
yeah. So like
What
it's
do you
like
advise
So
that
for
he
He
does
should be
right now?
relaxed. He
me,
should relax and
that-
be reserved and see what will
Yes,
happen.
just
next.
Okay.
hold on, because
Okay.
then again, you said it's about emotions.
Yeah.
So what
Once
I
she's
thought-
out of it, she will come back.
Yeah.
She will not block you.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
really?
And then now you know, you have to use your common sense to know that this person for me. And in case I run low on cash some other time again, is
She
this what
gonna
is going to
repeat?
happen?
Thank you.
Okay.
That's
But in the
what
story,
I
in
think.
the story,
But
did you know?
if you think that this is like, oh, she's emotional and maybe like she like obviously like she's acting like a child or whatever, and I'm going to like go ahead with it, or I'm going to, how do I say it? I'm going to like accept this person as she is, then in the future, what will you guys be doing?
Exactly.
Okay, so sure.
Okay, so the advice
Mhm.
right now we have to give is
I
that
feel
right
like-
now you are saying that
I feel like the guy should just lay low, do
Me
his thing,
too.
go and get
so
money.
he should
He should go and get money,
Yeah.
sort his family out, and then come back to the girl.
And what's your advice as well? What's your advice?
Okay, to me, I feel like the guy should, because he will know where she stays, because I mean, there he's trying to call the girl though, and then it's blocked. What's the reason? You don't know the reason.
Yeah, he said he loves her.
No, maybe
He has given the reason already that this girl, knowing very well that
Wait.
he didn't
Erica,
watch
Erica,
her.
Erica,
Erica,
wait,
wait,
Erica,
Erica,
wait,
let her- I want to hear what
listen.
she. Let her.
Look at something. He is saying that the girl has blocked him. Does he know the reason?
It's because of the
Birthday.
birthday.
No, how do you did the girl text?
He stated the reason.
Yeah, a breakup message came.
Breakup
That
message.
it was because of the
birthday.
birthday.
And then
Yeah.
who's here again, Nana?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So then there he should, I don't think.
So what do you think now?
I
What
feel
do you-
like
what
you
do
should actually go to the house.
Thank you.
Try to work something
Thank
out.
you.
If you try to work something out and then it's not working,
Listen,
then you
he
leave.
tried
Then that is
calling.
when
He
you know that
tried
you have
calling
made that.
her earlier,
Wait,
and she
this
didn't
is
answer the call until she
didn't
then
answer the
came
call.
back.
The attempt
She
that
came
you're
back
trying to
to
say.
send
I know
him
what
a
you're going
message
to say.
and blocked him.
You are coming to say that the attempt, like at least he has made an attempt.
attempt.
But he didn't pick.
Call. To me,
So
I
let's
feel
say
like
it's a long distance relationship. What should I ask?
that is a long distance. But if the person is around, like you know the person's house.
What is the person
Era,
not
go.
around?
Listen.
Oh, madam.
No,
Listen.
Me, all in all, I know that relationships are never perfect, and nobody
Yeah.
is perfect.
Yeah.
If you leave her seeking to go and find something better somewhere,
Yeah.
when you find loopholes there, too.
Exactly.
Olivia.
Nobody is perfect.
Or you can still
Wait, let me finish.
Okay,
Let me finish. Let me
perfect.
finish.
Then
Let me
it's
finish.
possible.
Erica, no, honestly
No,
speaking,
that
let me
person
just
are giving no.
see,
Erica,
can I
Erica,
make an
I should
example?
stay there.
Can I make an
There's so many
example?
fishes in the sea.
Okay,
Can I make an
okay.
example?
So what?
Wait,
No, you
wait,
can't.
wait.
Let me
Olive,
Yes.
Olive, okay. What would you do if
Me.
your boyfriend do that to you?
send a birthday and I didn't give him anything.
Yes.
Mhm.
No, birthday. Then he will
He
not give
doesn't
you
give
anything.
Would you if you block him?
What would you do if your boyfriend missed your birthday?
Oh, I'll be sad. I'll be sad about it. If he
And then-
misses, he forgot to wish me. He
Understandable.
forgot to give me gifts. I'll be sad about it.
What if he has been doing it like
Oh no, but
Before.
I will still be sad about it. Cause why? Everybody is special.
just this
no,
one
no,
time?
No, wait. The other time maybe you could have bought me whatever. But this year too, I'm there like days to my birthday. I'm anticipating. I'm thinking. Wait, let me finish. I'm thinking about going to places with my friends. I'm planning things, and then you, my main man, my friends are even after you because we are partners in this life together. So if you forget such an important event in my life, it will help me a lot.
Obviously.
But me, because I'm matured. Or I don't really
You
use my
wouldn't
emotions.
block.
I'll be hurt, but baby, why did you? And then I'm sorry. Then we just try and fix something.
Exactly.
But in this case, this person is a different person. For all you know, she's even younger. For all you know, she's been dealing with him like that. When things happen, it's normal. Do you understand where I'm coming from? So this kind of situation, if he loves her, he should just go and beg her. He has blocked you, and so what? This is your partner in life.
And obviously you know.
And then
it.
if you think that,
no,
wait, let me
no,
finish.
like,
Let me finish.
they are
Let me
not
finish.
married.
Let me
This is
finish.
dating.
Let me
This is
finish.
not
This
marriage.
is a potential partner in life.
Exactly.
Okay,
Exactly,
fine.
you're
And
not
then again,
talking.
there's nobody that is perfect.
Exactly.
If you seek to go and find something better somewhere, it will never be better anywhere. You will keep finding things everywhere, and there's fault in everybody. So if you feel like there's plenty fishes
so wait,
in the sea,
because you don't find anything
no,
better,
I'm not
you
saying.
want to stay-
I
This is a very
totally
petty.
disagree. I totally
This is a very
disagree.
petty.
No,
You're not
I
listening to me.
disagree. Erica,
You're not. You
Erica,
made your
and,
point, but you need to listen listen and
Sandra,
understand
you
that.
guys are not
Yeah.
really understanding where we are coming from.
It's not
The
everything
thing is
that
that
just leave.
try. You
Try.
make an attempt. If you make that
Listen,
attempt, then
okay, wait.
guy
What are
called
you guys
her
saying?
So what?
several
Just a call?
times. She didn't
Just a
answer,
call?
but she came back to test him
No.
and block him.
And this is a head person.
Sandra,
talking
oh
about?
come
Some
on.
people
This
get
is
head.
Why did you
calling.
answer the call to listen to what he had
Okay,
to
wait.
say?
I tried to tell me that if your boyfriend does something to you,
Okay.
and then, or you do something to
I
your
will not
boyfriend,
block my
you-
boyfriend.
wait, no.
Yeah, we will talk
assuming
about
your
it.
boyfriend blocks you, what would you do? Won't you be like, who pay you around?
Me, what blocking me?
So in
because
this
he blocked me, I should
instance,
come to your house.
okay, no, we know women we're different. In this instance, you
No.
are in this instance you are saying
I'll not
say,
come.
in this instance you guys are saying that there are plenty of fishes in the sea. Okay, fine.
No, listen.
In the relationship,
They
things
are
happen.
saying-
You
they are
can
saying
have a
It was a
perfect
build-up from
relationship.
something. We didn't
but-
just say that there are plenty of
No,
fishes.
no,
There
no,
are,
yes, so-
but like it was a build-up from
But
something.
leaving her because of
Because
okay, and I'm
you can't
saying,
reach
say,
out
me,
to
I will
her.
say
Oh,
this
come
all the
on.
time.
But
That,
the girl was leaving him.
yeah, I will say this
No,
all
I
the
mean,
time
they're
that people
blocked.
act differently.
No,
When
but
you-
the girl was leaving him.
Erica, let me just make my point. People go through things differently. Somebody may tell you something, you may be okay with it, but the person will tell me the same thing, and I overreact.
Exactly.
We're different people.
But me, I don't think he should be with the girl.
Okay, fine. That is what you think. But this is a case where he's saying he loves the girl.
Me,
Mhm.
he should leave her because
Mhm.
one, as she said, his finances is low. It's
Mhm.
slow.
Mhm.
As a man.
If he's slow, trust me, there's nothing you do for this girl that she will
Yeah.
appreciate.
Exactly.
Mhm.
She's expecting more.
Mhm.
So if you don't have it, trust me,
How do you know?
you should keep the love aside and sit down, think about his life.
And he'll still
Yeah.
get a better
Restart
person.
it, get money. Trust me, when he has money, he goes back to her. She'll take him. When he start buying her bigger gifts than what he was giving her, she will come back. It's just money.
Because there is a pattern.
exactly.
Yeah, so
already
if you are seeing
it's
the
like-
signs
like
and the
how we say
pattern,
it
why
in
do
Chi.
you want to still be in doubt?
like how
Okay,
we say it in Chi.
yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you should just go
But
look for money,
okay.
buy her.
It's different.
Even buy her a car.
Yeah.
Oh, then that means
No,
it's
Sandra,
because
that's
of the
that's
money.
long.
That's
we are dealing
because
with the
of the
right
money.
now. And
That's
now.
why-
It's because of the
I
money
don't
she's
understand.
angry.
No, but
You cannot
so
talk
who
to
did
me
you went to me and your
nicely.
wish? She
Oh,
couldn't even
babe.
get a wish.
Oh, you cannot call
She
me.
couldn't even get a
Oh,
wish.
don't call me because you didn't wish me. Blah, blah, blah. Just
She couldn't even
cut
get a
the line.
wish.
But you cut, you don't pick,
Uh-huh.
you send a breakup message, and then you blocked. What are you expecting?
Sandra, he didn't do anything to deserve that. You don't think he did anything to deserve that?
All right, so girls, and then my viewers, okay, our viewers,
Yeah.
would you be with a boyfriend who forgets your birthday?
I don't care. It's just a birthday, and another one will come. Like we have
No,
so
wait,
many years to
I
go.
just want to get this straight. Who forgets your birthday? Like it's a continuous thing or it's a one-time thing?
One time.
It's a one-time thing.
One-time thing.
It's
I'm
fine.
saying it's a one-time thing. I mean, anything can happen.
It's just a
Continuously,
birthday.
I think then it's
Would you
intentional.
forgive? You would.
If
Yes.
it's continuous.
No. If
it's
it's
not
continuous, then you don't
if
want to
it's a
do
one
it.
time.
Not if it's a one-time thing.
Forget
Yeah,
your
I will.
birthday.
Yeah, I
Even with
will.
that, the conditions surrounding him forgetting, I
Yes.
will consider that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because the same way you're saying that a girl is emotional and then she's like, throwing tantrums and stuff like that. The same way the boy can also be in a situation and then has been like he forgets about it. You
So
get it?
obviously we all agree that
If it's a
if
one-time
it's a
thing, I don't
one-time
think it's
thing,
a
because
problem.
obviously the story is talking about
It's
A
a
one-time
one time.
thing.
a one
This
time
story-
thing.
But this
One-time
girl
thing.
You
doesn't
can
know.
also leave it for viewers. I mean,
Yeah.
the comment section. If
Yeah,
you
sure. I feel like it's a one-time thing, so anything can happen. Anything
Yeah.
can happen. But if it's continuous, then please, the signs are there.
so that
we
is
should
if
know.
it's continuous.
Yes, yes.
Mind you, he has been with her for 3 years. And
been
he's
showing
always
up.
And he's
Yeah.
always been showing up
And this is
for
his
3
his
years.
first time not giving her.
And
she's
there was a
behaving
And
reason
not
like
even
why.
a wish. Me, I'll say that I'm not saying I'm for her.
No, but you should
And I'm
think
not for
about
the guy either. But me,
Maybe
I
he
know
was
for a
busy.
fact that when you're in a
Trust me.
relationship with somebody, when they can do something very little, but it's gonna hurt you so much.
Exactly.
but
Because they are
definitely.
they're in the middle part of your heart.
Mm.
Do you understand? So
Yeah,
maybe
that
is
my
nice.
friend can even forget to wish
Yeah.
me, and I'm okay. But my baby, like my boyfriend,
But
like
you know, you
how
should,
did you forget my
you should
birthday?
understand
And I
men.
understand that you're going through everything,
Wait,
but also
listen.
know that I'm part of your life.
Listen,
we
men,
are partners.
when they don't
Do you
have
understand?
money,
We
when
are
they don't
partners.
have money,
they're
they
different
forget
people.
everything.
Okay, fine. Okay, so women too.
of experience.
Okay, they forget everything. Or when they don't have women too. When things hurt us, we act out of emotion, and then some women crying all over the place.
No,
So
boys
it's
do
normal for
have
her to do
It would
that.
be
emotions.
nice if she
Boys do
called,
have a lot of
she answered
emotions.
the
They
call.
could have spoken about it.
Exactly.
That's okay. Maybe
but
that's
she
what I'm
blocking
saying.
him and not picking the call means I'll find a
Sandra, because you're
Wait,
mature.
okay, let me ask this
Because you're
question.
mature doesn't mean
Maybe
everybody's
God can help
mature.
any giant that.
Yeah, maybe I'm not- there was something else. But because you're mature doesn't mean everybody's
You're
mature.
putting fire in the listen, okay, so wait,
Yeah.
are birthdays
Mm.
even like a big deal in relationship?
Well,
For me, no.
my birthday
Because-
is very, very important to me.
Hey,
I'm not even gonna hide it. So if my
Is
boyfriend
it,
forgets my,
wait.
it's not supposed to be.
Me, I don't celebrate birthdays. Because me, I don't celebrate
Okay,
birthdays.
but some,
oh.
I mean, I feel like then again, it should,
I mean, I'll go
as a
for
partner,
it.
like
It
what
should-
she was saying,
yeah.
as a partner, there's no way I'm expecting it from you. No other person is important.
Yeah, if my friends don't give me
I'm
anything, I'm
expecting
okay.
it from you.
But I'm with you. We are,
But
we are
it's
doing things
It's just like
together.
Girls' Day.
And you forget me.
Like,
It
wow,
will pay
like,
me.
you have a boyfriend and then he doesn't give you
It
anything.
will
Somebody
pay
else
me.
brings
Do
some.
you
It's like,
understand? And
But
I'm
it
not,
is
I'm
like
not, I'm not for
Father's Day.
that.
like,
Do you understand? So anybody else can decide not to gift me anything, but if my partner decides not to gift me or do anything for
Hey,
me or wish
especially-
me, I'll feel so left
No,
out.
but
I'll feel
you
like
said-
okay,
yeah,
so
especially
I'm
when you- like,
investing
you
my
guys have
time.
something to do.
I'm
like,
investing
you
my
guys-
time.
you guys have
Wait,
been
I'm
he
investing
together
my
for-
love.
forgot.
I'm investing everything
He
in you. We're
forgot,
talking
and then
every
when he
day.
remembered,
Mhm.
he kept calling.
And then you
She
can't
didn't
blame her.
answer.
You can't blame her.
And then she didn't answer, but she sent a
But
birthday
Because she was in
message.
her bed. She was in her
Blocking is
bed. She
extreme.
was in her bed
People can
crying,
even-
crying.
Can even you may not know.
blocking is extreme.
Exactly.
I feel
Why
like
are
you're
you
dealing with a
blocking?
17-year-old
Okay.
girl over
That's
here.
why I said she's not mature.
And
maybe.
I'm saying that maybe she was in her
Next
bed
time you
crying
should
or
include the
something.
age
My sisters
the girl
act
so that
differently
you can-
But
to certain things.
because
So me, something that I'm not gonna block
Sometimes
somebody on. When they
killing
block
me.
somebody on it, I'm not even feeling any type
maybe
of way about it.
okay, maybe the girl
Yeah,
is 17.
maybe she's young and
She
that's how she's
doesn't
feeling.
understand.
She's acting out of
It's,
emotion.
and yeah,
Then
I
she's
understand
acting out
because
of
Charlie-
emotion.
See,
Then
see,
she
see.
should be ready.
It's
you know,
painful. It's
if
very
she's
painful.
18 and she's behaving like this, she's ready because
No,
20,
even sorry, 30-year-olds even do
experienced
this.
more than this.
30-year-olds even do this, and there's nothing wrong with it. That's how they feel, and that's how
No,
they
I
want to
don't
act.
think 30
If you
years-
feel like they're immature because of how they're acting, that's your thoughts.
You can actually-
Maybe you are gonna act mature, and then
Oh, it's
you
our
know your
thoughts, and that's
results.
why
But
we are
people are
airing it.
different.
Yeah, it's true.
People are different.
You
People
can
are
actually
different.
imagine
People
how
are
you
different.
hold people a heart, and then
Yeah.
I mean, you
'Cause
feel
me, your
like
boyfriend's
people
birthday is
don't do
coming.
that to you.
Wait, so I think you guys are just focusing on one part of this.
We are not supporting
Exactly.
her, oh,
Exactly.
but we are just saying
it's
that.
fine. We are
Oh, but he could have
I
at
don't
least
care
wished
about
it.
that. I don't care about
I
that.
asked a question.
Yeah.
I'm like,
What did you
if it's
ask?
a one-time, I mean,
Yes.
mistake. I
You
mean,
guys are forgetting
then
that
one time-
it's a
So-
continuous.
If it's a
so
one-time
the
thing,
guy,
I will not
the
block
guy
him.
should just go
Go and beg.
Go
That's
and beg.
all.
That's all. I mean, he
Hmm.
should
He
do
should go
it.
and beg who?
Sitting there, and I get
Okay,
he then.
UK that will
So
not
where is he?
understand.
No, where is he going?
He should
Please,
go
the
and beg
letter,
who?
the person that
No,
I
no,
mean,
you should
our
go and beg.
advice is that
He should go and beg
His
who?
girlfriend.
Where?
The girl. We should
Where?
go back
The house.
to her.
Which house?
Which house? He
House.
knows where she lives. When
Why
you're
would
dating
you
her,
go
you
to
knew
some?
where-
Why would you go to a house?
Then he should stay
somebody's
in his
that
house with
he
his
blocked
love.
you?
He should stay in his house with his love. You knew the kind of person you were dating.
There are plenty
so
fishes
why
in
you
the sea.
coming to complain now?
Exactly.
Okay, then you keep moving. You keep moving from person to person
No,
because
okay.
you'll be looking for somebody that is perfect. Nobody's perfect.
Nobody, no.
Right now, you're blocking her because you think she's
Alright,
immature.
Nobody's perfect,
And-
but please.
Alright.
You know, she's immature and whatever, and then
3
she shouldn't
continuous time, I
you don't
wish
do that.
you, and then
You
like
don't
one
do
Alright.
time you're just like
Aram,
blocking me.
you
Yeah.
can
do
give
that.
your last word to the guy.
Me, my advice is that, bro, go and I mean,
Get your girl back.
get your girl back. If you really, really love her, come on, do something.
So are you
Get her-
insinuating that?
Oh no,
Oliver,
no, get your
what
girl
about
back.
you?
Me, I'll just say you should just go buy her gifts, go and say so. Even if he doesn't have money, like the effort alone.
So
like,
wait, I
no,
want to ask
alone,
Aram
no.
something. At what extreme point? Because I feel like you have that experience. At what extreme points does he not go back to beg her? Because if because of a birthday, you're saying that he should go back to the girl and what's it called, apologize and blah 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 blah. From your experience, what extreme points do you say that it's out? Like we are not doing this anymore.
Eric, I didn't get your question.
I didn't get because I'm not understanding.
He's saying that.
So we have a scenario where this boy, you're saying that this boy should go back to the girlfriend because the girlfriend blocked, which I feel like is a very lame excuse to block somebody
Yeah.
because the person didn't wish you
That's-
he didn't wish you for a birthday.
Okay.
Then again, there's a reason why he didn't do that. He was
Okay.
low on cash or
Okay.
whatever.
Mm.
What's the most, because I feel like that's a very extreme for the
And it needs
for the
to
boy
have
to even
family precious.
Okay.
I
Nebusha
feel
for
like it's
Hannah
very
Day.
it's a very lame
Mhm.
excuse. Like
It's
you get
actually
it?
a very
For-
lame
for me, it's
excuse.
a
Everybody
very
has
lame
a girl.
So at
But
what
you
point?
know,
At what
Everybody
point?
has issues.
Everybody has issues.
Everybody
True.
has issues.
But at what point does this guy, like, you feel like
Should
this
go.
guy shouldn't, like, we shouldn't work this thing out again? Like what
At
what are
point?
the,
What do you want?
aside cheating? Obviously, I feel like the cheating is like the
Abuse.
major thing, and cheating and
Abuse.
abuse is like the major
Yeah.
thing
Mm.
why people would never like go and date this person back again.
Yeah.
So what's the most extreme or like the most how do I say this?
It will have to like, I mean, happen to you before.
Yeah.
I think it will have
Yeah,
to happen to you
yeah,
before
yeah,
because
you
you
decide.
can't just, I mean,
So what
think
is like what are
about
the
something so
scenarios? What are the
extreme.
scenarios?
oh, but right now we're talking about birthday, babes. Yes, it's birthday.
So
And we are
me,
trying to solve this. If it's another,
our advice
maybe
is
that
not
would
to
be
leave,
another
that's all.
topic.
So
I mean, a
MFA,
topic for
what's your
another
last
day
word
because
to the guy?
yeah.
But to the guy,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take this person as my brother. Listen, fine. We can go with what Olive and Aram is saying. You can go to the house and go and beg the girl. But if she's not going to accept it again, you are a boy, a young boy who is coming up or whatever. I feel like you should just focus on yourself and get your money right.
And that is
And
if
then
you're doing
just
the
move on. And when I
attempt.
say that, yes, I did say that there are many fishes in the sea, but it doesn't mean that obviously
Just keep moving.
just keep moving
Yeah.
from up. Yes,
And work things
nobody's
out.
perfect
Yeah,
too.
thank
But I
you.
feel like there's still that better somebody you can tolerate or who can help you. Maybe this person is not for you. You just let it
Yeah.
go.
Maybe. Just maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just let it go.
I mean,
honestly.
we're all on the same page now.
Yeah.
So
But for
we are
me,
not all on the
For-
same
let's
page.
listen to her.
but for me,
Okay.
I think
Uh-huh.
the guy should sit down and restart his life.
Because you ain't got no
He
money.
should forget about love.
boy,
love,
they say-
love.
The love, love,
Start
love.
your
Love,
life.
love,
Get your
love.
money right.
Restart it.
Yeah.
Get your money.
Mhm.
And then go back to her because
Are you
By the time
serious?
you can, should be married with your restart.
if she's married, fine.
It shouldn't get there.
But
Oh, it
you
shouldn't
That's
get
too
there,
far.
bro.
Let your money
He-
right
he's
and
he's,
go back
he's
to
standing
her.
in front
No,
of
he
you
should
now.
at least-
Okay, so
we'll
so
just
right
go and
now,
say sorry
so
at
right
this
now, so
point.
right now,
We'll just
please,
go and
it's
say
like you are
sorry.
going back there again. We are trying to
Exactly.
advise
We are
the
just
guy.
going
Yeah.
to say
Ah,
sorry.
the guy
That's
will be
it.
confused right now.
The guy
Like-
there is confused.
You should just go say
So
sorry.
so our final advice, please. Let's just. I mean, it's like we are trying to fight for the girl. We're trying to
Me,
fight
he
for the
should
boy.
restart his life and get his
That's
So
what
money.
it's
she
you
has to
against
say.
one.
That's
so
what
you
she
should
has to
choose.
say.
The audience should also, I mean,
Let us
give
know
us
what he
their.
He
thinks
should
as
get
well.
Yeah.
his money.
Yes. So
Me, I
When
think
you
you
get
should.
the
Okay,
money-
fine. He can go and apologize. If she says no, move on. That's all.
Apologize where? That's what I don't get it.
But you are saying that she should go. He should go and get the money and come back and
Okay,
apologize.
Sandra, it's
What are you
okay.
saying,
It's
Maybe
Sandra?
by the time that she will realize, she would unblock him. And then he'll try again and see if there's still space for him.
Please.
Okay,
Alright,
so
this
yeah,
our host.
yeah. Okay, so guys, I mean, it's and we have given them the, I mean, the
thoughts.
guy.
Yeah.
We've given them our advice,
Yeah.
and then they should just try and work things out. Okay.
Don't go back.
All right, so we want our viewers to also share their opinions and then their advice on this issue. So maybe if I'm wrong somewhere, you want to correct us, or there's anything you want to chip in, on the show, just find us on YouTube, KOFAS Media, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. You can find us and then share your thoughts and opinions too. Thank you guys so much
Yes.
for watching. Catch you guys same time next week.
Next week Tuesday at 4 p.m.
Please,
Yeah.
guys, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe
Okay.
to our YouTube
Bye.
channel as well. See you guys next
Bye.
week. Bye.
Bye.